Alright guys, welcome to this hopefully fun, but also very unexpected unboxing. I know that I ordered something, but I don't think it was supposed to come in until like the 29th, and it's not even the 13th. So let's see what happens with all this fun stuff. And hopefully we will be happily surprised. Let's see. Ugh. Man, I'm struggling with this box. I must be getting old or something. Older. It's very well packaged. The box is protected by more stuff, so okay. I guess we'll only be unboxing this box, and in the next video we'll see what's inside, because wow.
Likey.